We are now going to cover the maintenance that is required for the heat assault. The heat assault requires very little maintenance, but every 750 hours, it's right on the door, you are required to change the nozzle inside each burner and the electrodes, which on your first are supplied for you, as well as the fuel filter. We will have individual videos demonstrating this for you later. There is also a glycol filter located in the top of your glycol tank, as you see here by this decal, and it needs to be cleaned annually. The heat assault is powered by a generator, which requires its own maintenance schedule. On this unit, you need to change the oil. You can check for that inside the owner's manual. You need to check your oil regularly. The dipstick is located right here. Your oil fill is located here. Your oil filter is here. Your oil drain is located here as clearly marked.